Kimae Nthongi na Nkuruki Kinyoga Kinyara Nice Digital City Moya Antoine omutu juthondekairwa no ugure mutu kwina Nice Supermarket kana Kinyoka gura muchere ja pishuri nontuni grade 1 na Kithike Nice muthikire ne bathiaga nusu ya muchere jurajuri magwante rira cia Moya kiri kundi na maskuru watu kaibu gushwa Antwara bagwita kunogoka kana kinya kwithira bakiaraniria Antwara kwina hall ya michemanio kwina kieni kebieni ria biatho na mirano ukenda kwithira ugita kunogoka Antwara kwina nyamukawa araumba kwithira ukirara Nice na Nice Extra Premium muthikiria ringa 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Nende chekinya thaajiri kilokita ndaka 17 muthikiria karibu sana kiri mubango yo chancha mukaturikire thara yele arika twari manto MICETHO the future ya sports na ruaribu tutwe na CC wa MICETHO mbembithi na agenda mheshimiwa ELIAS Murega karibu sana jana tumekipata
hata wewe ni wa hiyo timu
Murega lo asolo wa
Tuambie ni yao nande tuambie kile asana tuzikamuru
tuko bibi ochumbura anto Manchester United na baraba related to Manchester United because kiretebo Manchester United bataki nya point 40 Arsenal 50 sijui ni nini inawasumbua
better 30 in fact
38
sasa mimi siongei juu sina wakili I need my lawyer nahitaji backup
ile tu kitu tulifanya no tu hata 2 point to otherwise we are good.
Hakuna kitu
karibu sana mwesh
in fact tuwera watu tiarume wala vedara top of the table bali kana yetu tutongeretie nje tutongeretie tukiri
hatutaji kuambia
nana hiyo kuga
jikonsolini kabisa lakini
kwa table ndio ndovu no
wengi
bado ndovu ni
mkuu speaking of which mheshimiwa MICETHO kuu ya Governors Cup yo Kinyako
ibwega sana nonto bakanyaka Martina County MICETHO Governors Mutuma Super Cup nienderete but ndenda kuweza na tuka background kidogo so MICETHO zuchokete over 9 years back nonto lazima to acknowledge the first only Governor Cup MICETHO at least taking to conclusion ni mwake and that is the first governor ano ambirie na omba kuchezithia one time na kumareu ute Governor Cup yeza successfully kibarabo on the governors beza lakini gitarere ya the fourth governor Isaac Mutuma nombete go take the lead kuchokia Governor Mutuma Super Cup. Now this is a different from the ere mbere. In one way, mbere chedro men, but this one you chedro both men and women, kana men and ladies. Na neke nonto kere department iranto ngerete na manto agenda. Na we promote gender equality. You know the first thing different from Mbere. The second different Mbere are only football, but there is in a football na athletics. Na niki ikenda tuita tukiongaira other discipline cha MICETHO nontu football te yake MICETHO zuria tuga sport kwena MICETHO enge mingi more than 10 discipline kuma volleyball kuma inya athletics, boxing, swimming na itukwenda gukuria progressively all twitite ko ezi na uniqueness yo the third tutio chetha kimubira na ikyo kwigwa Governor Mutuma Super Cup but is more than a game. Why is it more than a game? As a department irantongeretie kwena issues nyingi chigu affect ndukembethi itongerete kuma teenage pregnancy, gender based violence, drug and substance abuse, crime among the youth. Na hivyo tutumira platform as we promote football, as we promote athletics, as we promote talent. Itukwenda kaire gutumira kureta youth amwe kubariria pamenya teenage pregnancy na effect yayo kiri gouch out mono nonto future kuthoka thaire mwana aewa mwana skuru tuboneria drugs nonto antu bara baingi they assume but impact era drug abuse ewo cause in our society is huge na kirindu kimbithi na ikyo kona inya recently president za Trump ageta extra mile korwana another country or another president nonto bwa effect era drug kweza whether it is maybe in some international or complication lakini wena kona nie kiria kurwa kio from point of view imanto a drug the president recently no raigiru inyawa akiuga we need now to have a deliberate measures chekurwa nambio a drug na inya former deputy president no igawaro aliro drug ko that means impact ira ikuretera thina nyingi chiege youth inya mututumba ukirira so this tournament ne kwendereithia that discussion taira to chetha itubareta amwe twabarikania inya wichetha mubira zuzu chetha wimenya uzuringa no kuringa drug away out of Meru uzuringa no kukike teenage pregnancy na ikyo mbera badara udunge ball mtoi dunga hii ball tunakuletea uwanja ukiwa so that another that unique thing irambuga the previous itomba okumanage na ikyo tukuwa more than a game thaizi tuambirire from down at the ward level ward level to achetha ward is on the 45 na team chari more than 6 almost 650 or thereabout irachira participate 100 for women the balance 540 for men na chetha igichuja no from there to around tariki 12 ale mairi ithatu tweza twichetha pole pole twakinya nande tweza twateka break de turalia betika tournament na festive cha December to resume kairi from January each weekend both Saturday and itombete kwithira tukichetha mebireze for athletics yambiria nkobo yauma nkobo eta Mwariama Stadium toma Mwariama Stadium tweta naria tima ngundua toma ngundua turari this weekend mairi ithatu na this tukageta finals cha trial ara Kinoru Stadium cha Centro na Imenti then football tuamberio in across the world both men and women na thaizi tu at the sub county level itura ditheria finals igoro so we have now number 1 of every 16 sub county ira na ande tuguchetha ira twita round of 16 na after round of 16 ande tutonyege quarters semis and then finals ko ne una ande thaizi tomba kuga we are the almost all the sub county guchetha their finals both men and women na nande tugutonya kiri round of 16 ara mubira zo nande zo gwete mwanki nerutira
so round of 16 ni kiri sub counties kana
every sub county produce number 1 16 of them na nandi 16 ere atwaktekete in a way nize kuma imagine team 650 how do you select mwankachi ezae so we had a format era ensure at least twakinya tukinyete na nechori boega ikenda to read to once go Kenya finals a team izire either from one region to the other ikenda to chia platform anyone no ombe gukamata gikombe giki
so ikombe kiethwa kiri kia sub county kana kia county so bwathirania sub county buke ya kiri
nande thaizi tore ote sub county tina number 1 weyo nande icho nande kuendelea to the next level
number 1 icho
tirimane number 1 icho sub county eu nande ne otogweta round of 16 nande cha tirimana cheta nande quarters 8 of them igaringa na hizi 16 itigarie 8 iringane kaire itigarie 4 ira tugweta semis and then finals
very well so bore expect kuthiria ri
By next month together tukuthiria.
And then after
Next month or the first week of March. Nonto weekend each on the twina schedule. Schedule kuma last year. Ithirito nio tukuthingata.
So after bona mshindi then what? To kuri yungi yu achethwa kana that's all.
Of course, the next season will be preparing. Ira to expect more better. Na to kikava challenges. Ira to amba gukurukira this tournament. Nonto, you can imagine a gap of 9 years. Na nande ato me revive. Na you see, we are stabilizing the county kire agenda sport. Na ito kuenda ira tueta sport tourism na tukuria sport as a MERU. Ikenda every neighboring county na wakategera niombikite nonto every time tuena big tournament. Peza kainyaza to run from us na bakagwiriwa. That's the culture tukuenda kukuria. Kwa tuteo mbago stop au. Na ande kuena volleyball kuenda nyabo kwa included in the next year tournament. Ko will be working with the assembly ikenda bomba go increase the resources. Ito kuenda this time gutegera team we bara to select. Nonto as we proceed uniqueness ya team we to abaiza opportunity bali recruit more. Bo itero na ara na kuena muchethio mwega no eze ageta the next level nonto ko represent from ward to sub county. Ikenda tomba kuona talent on the as we progress. Tureta scout kire michetho na ande tutigere from quarters. Ikenda tomba ko leta players baria tubatonyithia team ira chiri riguru because currently we have teams ready ire division 1 that's a national league nere division 1 kire men na women tomba kuona to tap talent to chifindi area. Now at the same time tomba kuona ithira as we proceed to a county team in case to endenya kuchetha na other counties. Na number 2 kwena preparation ya kisa game Kenya Youth Sport Association Games ira chira and I think 23 na inyacho ito kwenda county yetu this time representwa strongly to icheza na other inter counties youth games. These are the part of the ira tukunacha ikenda to prepare our county ku engage na sport na other counties na tume praise in a better position in future. Go that otigirau we are still preparing ikenda tomba kwithira twina team injega kiri both ndwero na inya kiri football.
Mheshimiwa nini mantege youth service je runguru wa ministry ku right?
Yes.
What is the plan kiri youth na ndi baraba to chair and stuff?
Good. Mbere ma to exit kiri sport ngokwira it's also a platform nene ku engage youth on those other matters. Nonto inya thaira twina message tukwenda obarikania twabarikaniria ara bakwiza nonto ti uri oguchetha aki kwina mashabiki babeza kwina mwana biashara wiza kwendia njugu au kwendia soda au mama wizete akaruga so economically no kuona nego stimulate the economy every ward na ara turetaga kwe ndozi turabagoraira ndozi ire gorokire community au chekunywa kwina bange from there tubecha toba twa ngarama every team ira participate from that level ngare chio komboro bodai chio komboro ko nego stimulate kwena referee bien imagine 100 plus referee badatu ubale akangiri 3 that's already beche ko boost kire job creation kire antobaba tokawa award thereafter. So this is not only about playing football, it's also stimulating the economy bara stakeholders mwanya. So to MYS, MERU Youth Service, in the next maybe 2 or 3 weeks together to get a recruitment. Nandenda inyayo tumenya na ikongo kwera counties arera rekera reo za makire programs iria chiratetha ya mwananchi na one way through the governor atukuri mai muntu rare agokinyenya gukua na nde to imuchogia from mochare to imuchogia ICU to my ICU to amwike HDU na ward kona nde aza togeta recovery turi na ikyo kona program imwe twechokira tuko believe it yatetha ya mwananchi o kawaida na MYS program tuchokete lakini tomi improve kidogo nonto MYS yambere to the second governor yari from paramilitary training then to TVET turemwe lakini eze through leadership government I think turimigita not paramilitary per se but paradisciplinary for 1 week to include a soft skill. Soft skill is acquiring manto entrepreneurship, digital training, manto communication, jarazo omba gutethia mo youth within that week. Nonto baraba inge nyamoizi manto life izo baremera on this intobiria tukuona ibia kawaida ko tukaba ba impact on that soft skill to mau tugatonya kirira tugwita community service ni etare okire the previous regime community service ni ara tukwenda kwithirwa at least youth bible contribute to the community na ba interact na community bamenya it's also something that you can give to the community either through to ensure cleanliness in the community programs aito kuga za share registration na any other program related na gutethia society. Now apart from that we have to facilitate with a stipend of maybe 500 also na tukadhara tueba rombaga by means of a save out of that kidogo ikenda bedro bena culture ego safety kurea beyond within that to 40 days from there tubatonyithia nande kwibarea tukaheta kiri vocational training centers ira twina chocha county ikenda tubaitana hard skill kana bamoto ba connect na TVET ikenda collaboration yu na iburene principal o MERU pore na governor pamitete kuendelea negotiation ikenda baraba kenda kugeta dairy farming plumbing maybe catering mantezegie ya dressing and those are hard skill iram inyam to translate from now kizara guitage community as area au mena skill area which should be marketable skill ire igatonya kiri market akiona ngugi na remo ngugi then no amberie biashara ewe through the saving ira kethero nacho na program to that na resources no tito kwaraniria na KCB which has always been financing kira bora ya imacha sharing to sharing to ita chiringi bagaita chiringi na ndenya bono tutethaniria bo kugita touring iko choaethera ho pramba toolkit ira ekwamberie biashara ekwe plumbing kanethera ya dressing ukagolero intobira bia dressing ukamberia ga salon gaku so that will be the third phase ira toga na ndeba uma TVET bagatonya kirimanto employment then baraba kamberia biashara we are negotiating na department ya finance ikenda ba wave anto youth baba nonto still ukagitito license nae omba kulema go kickstart so we'll give them maybe a wave of 1 year ikenda bomba kwethira ba kwamberia biashara we are promoting SMEs nonto inacho chiko create opportunities kiango gikindu kimbithi so nande au ne ukethira twina another exit exit yambere kwibara bakathiriria community na mbuga soft skill mbuga batonye nange pendere ya maisha kwibara to translate to the next level na kwena bara tugetania bo the journey mwanka muthia so this is a program ikethro yo cycle continuous bara bakethiria nderea kwibangi bakwamberia ndezingi ikenda tha hizi tumechokia stabilize because the program ikora through an act aina ndenu izi ne kwenda goodwill governor oreo kana inyo oreo keza in future ikenda nyamwethero program yombo chirongamira but the future tugutegera MIS na niyo tukwenda go stabilize no kumenya MIS yekarite 3 years itina inya board itina in institutional framework na ndi tuko develop policies policy ya youth policy ya enterprise within the MIS ikenda na ndinya ureo keza in future MIS is no yombe ochirungamira kwena ithaka bibinge bia county bitere magwa na ata tomba go coordinate program icha yu tukareta anto youth kire farming na to abatetheria na machinery ira chieku ikenda benderea kugita urimi the modern agribusiness bomba kwithira kwibyo bikuoneka baga proud back to the MIS ni ata tombo bagitira bara to train disciplinary bagethira bena security tuchita farm chiao bagethira thaire twina event ibo kaviraza the event ichi daga nare ito opportunity nonte bakethirwo bakomanie security ejeu ekethirwo mbeca gwicho igutonya kiri MIS na ingi mbuga muntu uria akanacio and any other program irekareta mbeca income generating activities ikenda to sustain project ire MIS without gwetera ki allocation ye ire kuma kiri county so that the future ira tutegera MIS na it is possible.
Procedure recruitment igethera kariata
good procedure nena ndenio tukwenda ku change kidogo aria baga prayaga nonto ba apply to trend recruit around 900 this time that is an average of 20 maybe per ward to start with nonto nuize ndabwira to recover ikenda to stabilize kuringana inya allocation ye budget 20 baba antono ba apply mbugegana we want to atomerio ba apply ba supersede the number turenda ku ita schedule every ward in two places per ward ikenda tumba kwithiro even distribution ye ya this opportunity then tukageta balloting nike tukugeta balloting nikenda everybody ethiro na equal chance equal opportunity rather than only umbezo ndetaira ininde au waziri mbuga ko onkomenya ati no enko akanya kana MCA kana maybe other executive ari turenda na bonthe banenkero platform imwe kira tukaromba kina neo tukoromba our members of county assembly na bangi wogo ezolete ya representative ategeaki olete chief ethro emethone ariko na department yetu ibeje akibate au ora tugita openness ikenda na ande bara ba apply bara bo qualify criteria to setete is a youth kuma 18 mwaka 35 from maybe vulnerable family then yezo ni ato baba ibo antwegana bara bagitete atia tuboambire kana tubuthomere list iriko then ande zo kieni tuandike yes mbuga 20 ra tukwenda kana 10 kuringana ora to distributing in the world ore ga pick you ethroe direct twetomeri au by 1 to 20 ko betonyithio ge program everybody na kugitatia na kumenya for openness na transparency too.
Mheshimiwa no wetere mantu ya sports tourism I happened kwithirwa ngi attend mountain rain ya mbere era ya bwithirio kiri thirikari nthiru kiraitu murungi na what I saw ni mantu yangwiririe sana na itwerirwe mountain run ne chokete. Is this something boku pasu kana mantu yathirire?
Yes, already we have secured onto in the director governor and the first letter kuchokia mountain run to the from the AK calendar. Now it has been difficult nonto bona this already inyamo oe kwire because also 2-3 years ni ari kuthukia reputation for some reasons ntekwenda to discuss mono but nande they gave us an opportunity na tuomba mechoki in the calendar 22nd Feb na tuambiria preparation. We have been meeting na all stakeholders but the challenge tuonete ni we corporate sponsorship which reputation it has been in decline from the first time you get through from 25 million from to 13 then to 15 13 10 in a million na irete kenyaga expenses gigetate kingiaga and then the reason mountain daniera itare akimanto akogea ni area manto cancer awareness ikenda tomba kwithiro ituko finance cancer programs na inyikyo twambaye institute inare unde assembly then from there kwari na manzeo ja ko promote sport tourism na manto environmental conservation so these were the three objectives but our fundraiser towards that na ndeba kona from previous or awezere the whole thing either already the committee the objective area nyamwe amberetwe so sponsors bara we have been engaging bekwira tonie what you've been able to do
before
with the resources. So eka difficult nonto bwa image area yare kugeta hatia ekwa created, and that why you're having difficult nonto nyayo is an expensive affair, which I also can't deny. Kubangania area on a minimum thaizi turatarete tona tugitete at least tuinametie bwenya standard kidogo, it is almost 8 million. Kiri expenses yake. Neo neo the risk kuringana nere agiturwe muthi expense yari 13 million. Na ndikenda tumba kumerevive. Ndakwira we are in recovery mode from nala tumete death non twethere ta happen 2-3 years. Then it's a dead tumikia nande turenda go stabilize tukinya kiri ICU. But in ICU has been very difficult. One to mechokia, we are talking about it, lakini no komenya ito atwe na budget batu around 4.5 million. And that the difficult nonto torioria yes 4.5 na turenda budget on minimum 8. So twe na mbecha tukwenda cover. And we don't want to start twe jago choae mbecha nonto will get to an expense nonga tutonye madenine, which is also dangerous. So as we are speaking today tukwenda rozo tuetae the stakeholders either to reschedule it more time nonto tukwenda promotion kubwa engage babwe wero, or now we do the promo and that kind of a contract na other maybe barabombo tutetheria publicity kenda nto register. So au ni oto ena crossroad nonto period yetu ko engage sponsors iturambire kuona what they are for na itukwenda kubera but to in a different way from the previous. Na yona ande kwenogwa we do it, yes we recover, but it will more meet the objective ireko area ko itukwaraniria na ike yethra ya twetikeria to reschedule even for 3 more weeks kana a month tuamberia na ande figures activities nontenya controller irazima to inya cheko kistart cheko geria kugeta domain ere ko register ta interface nyamwe registration then to ekire habu to negotiate a deal inya to sponsor na to facilitate kidogo to enrate that campaign. But one thing that our people can be sure of, but tuona trajectory ego chokie mountain run and the agenda area na inkogwero you have engaged like lewa be very supportive na other baranto mbako gwetaza for now bara bakwenda pobe na that agenda ego tutetheria guchokia mountain run
very well. Kiburi Mugendi arua ari mitambone ne ukethwa ni Pius Kinoti arua good job Mheshimiwa Elias Murega akawa ari MIPS College na Uticas Murori arua good job as always Mwesh. Impact ya sport inasikika.
Thank you.
Away from sports
but just in 1 minute itombe go train 8 referees from the county. Na referee
the day da konere bana inyo kirefu mupira yo ala
exactly I've been a referee some years back lakini andenda debere ko bon area just to encourage them na kureta ma fans back to the field. That the reason I was ko bari kanya turioku. Number 2 referees baba, we have now 2 top FIFA referee but one in a badge Kendi from Meru and Evans with a FIFA kumaanisha ozo no achethi mebire yonde uchezo kuma AFCON kuma we mebire organize exactly. That's the level ira to promote mobira na tukinyeti area. Kwena referee na the youngest recently orondere even Shadrack na rombere omo full scholarship kukurukira kumvira. This is go encourage young people wamenyenya muchetho zomba nyamo chiali no kwana na ndizo no fun already school full scholarship na nike during finals ndarombere Shadrack nontonwe wari guest ndamwira tutetheria kana gaka ikenda anto bamenya what sport can do oni ndomithetio fure through scholarship ya mubira. So naandikana jakau mwezi agicethagia finals senior kire FKF Federation na kambo igaka in fact niragatare passport twari to organize gwita team national team but na ndethro ire agutano agutonya nyomba na passport itiridi kwi kumanisha football pays rua no kona kwi muchethi urari in the national team kuma aza ge team ya Meru Police ndaka ekupeta Newton Muthomi. That means you are growing. Then today the kuambiria coaching trainings, all these sponsored by the county government in partnership with FKF. Coaches introductory course iraba kauma ubete CAF D, CAF B, CAF C mwankeguru. Niki to train coaches ikenda bomba go instill the right knowledge and skills kireana ba na baraba ingi to ba scholarship from primary na secondary ikenda bomba kwethirwa at least na basic chia au coaching happens tigweta antu no chethaga turonga maraini no cheta coach kana wikira jezi ya referee ucheta we referee jola tona tubuti sibitari inyaka hochimani ye kawaito kathogani daktari ando mori daktari ngokara mono na inyate. So that's why we need qualified technical officials in different discipline. Naza mainge tukariria mbuga with the time about bieni ora tukugeta ibieni bieko to secure ko fence maybe go upgrade Kinoru Stadium twina focus egichoka to the county nonto we have negotiated kiomba kuthirwo in national but in today governor has given a directive to andikira Sport Kenya na nde batunenkere kieni tuendelee kuona mbechiri kuoneka from there tuge upgrade twingwa nonto we are not going to wait anymore from what you have been promised before.
Very well. Mwish kwina kipindi kijete after this I hope no one uteka uitano ita 10 wakilukira UTV ne aukarima michezo wa it's a sportsman but away from that mheshimiwa tukume siasa kidogo na nikuona dakika chetu yakachete itakuthira there's an issue kiri cabinet no I don't know what's really happening kiri cabinet. How is the cabinet iko imara na kila mtu anafanya kazi yake kazi yangu tegwa nkiuga irampei and everybody praise newe na relationship ya cabinet na deputy governor ya Kariate
iko imara ogo tato ene kanise negoro na nyanize tambe tanga kanisa nipo
no mweshi gitumia matini ya kuria mitandao nithirito ankana bunene weekend
na
wakati jiaria
wakati jiaria awe ate sidelined ate ukara ya kai nyeli inako inyelo gogo kuma ibu kuambiriria wewe tara mutumana kawira.
You see every time kuna time a month zarai when that time comes na where together na ndeti imaginary the real we'll say it out only personality muntorea okiro au daire manza tete will say it out aza na openere modenya na tuteo kira anybody
maita kadhaa severally bwana kene buringi bicha uwe waziri Joy na waziri Maranya na sources say kana mitandao kuringa na mitandao bure kuwa eriwate waziri Joy nuo kuyukia nafasi ya Linda.
That is not true. We have only one deputy governor na Irinda Kiome no deputy governor both legitimate na inyakiri any other way no deputy governor. Joy ni waziri wa lands na ngochererete na miunda ko jazange showbiz they are neither here nor there na kukethro kwina any threat to that inyabatu we have to defend the deputy governor nontono eto kumenya illegitimate but these are narrative go create wana inkwendo bwera iboyaga sana Martin otwetaga Azam because social media create problem na ikageri nyabo kugeria go solve egigera ya kweza na advisory unsolicited advisory anga governor getozo it started with me and if you remember anga governor tushe bateri wetu governor anga sijibo bateri kugeta what 2-3 things and I was just ndaberaga nande naru inya iborerito mono na inya tafadhali shifteni no inya ni bon trend kidogo ethira ibo bo create thina ge bloggers na bokageria kugita atia go solve ozo imochole okwa joy na bati to maera because we are human being, we have social life beyond mantezegie ngugi na where to join tomera we have fun. Joy is a young Gen Z, but maybe to Merendios, to Havolia Gen Z, Niate Kuga, Athena Mafaraja, took care of Wipo Aire, Hotideta, we enjoy life. Now, then, the Rona in Yam Beach, carrying with this broga, to Itagaira Mantaza, golf course, Narea, Nola Pranie, to Qualeria, Izinge, Munto Akandekai. Some things and the quality weekend a bomb kwethira bwina material nande andike ni naruo from Meru FM 96.4 oteshida na chiaumira twabwira
na maranya bado yake cabinet. Is he still in the cabinet?
The best is to ask him. Nuje Maranya one was my boss. And how would I discuss?
No,
na tena right of reply.
Ke cabinet mheshimiwa Nuje Matoja imeo no karande ke cabinet.
Maranya is a friend. Na Nuje omweta ene
invite. Is he a member of the cabinet?
As far as I'm concerned, he's a member. Unless otherwise, man is a nyaningoa, tambize muntu asa at a personal level, jare yako getate. Lakini mi ni beste yangu, amekuwa pia mdosi wangu, loko Maranya, ndaitafa amwe wau, and Maranya is also a very outright person.
Bora utuira ni ati kutena anything mtu aireo atika cabinet or a member of the cabinet na deputy governor
oni ewe uteon kumenya nande kwiro both were my close friends the only man tutomba kuga the other integrate non to bwenyomba emwe even the process of a group nuigawa kwena no means storming at a different stage na no bwethro 1 2 twegeta atia bwena small misunderstanding but that cannot rise ugai crisis ali tutakinya to those level but yera tumbugae kidogo maybe can be there nontontomba ko assume nontobonde inyanito atigana mbuga bena also they are alive lakini for now serikali ya governor Isaac Mutuma iko imara na imesimama na ole ko doubt ntize akadoubt na ini ndende ate wauga crocodile
amba ko ogeginda
so much
tuga imara
kwa mto wa actually timu mto mwe mitandao na oringi I don't know why they sometimes like picking on you bawa urendo tumira governor's cup ya launch pad ya ku launch chiaza chiaku either chia MP no dimenti kana chia senator MERU. What are you eyeing in 2027?
Ene na teguetwa governor teguetwa maeretwa ata tournament governor Mutuma Super Cup. Number 2 in any platform tuweza we do our best non to tumenya the future. Either the future ikwa senator, either the future ikwa MP. That is not the easy, which is of a priority. Priority go empower that young person, go more opportunity go kulia kiawa kiawe. So these other things perception no to ligerua kuthugania ule kwenda kuthugania nonto MP mbere nye mantuzaza governor antaromba MP it is in the public domain. I've been the MCA deputy speaker a platform ndaromba inya kwa MP either decision yekona antuba no thiment when the lights time come tokathugania but for now agenda ne kugitai programs hizi tomba go empower our youthful generation. Na hii yongo kwera these my good friends but tutumaira social media niyo problem bago create they created kiugagai non tunkora uncheze iyo ni kwenda kugo bakogeta and maybe kugeria corneria maybe my boss governor Ini agenda Murega. Agenda Murega dakwira 9 years to revive Governor Cup. 3 years to revive MOS. 2 years to revive Mountain Run. Programs referee to area coaches, they have not been there. But if you think that the reason I'm doing it, then be it.
Thank you Mwesh. Time is up, gentlemen. Ikweka sana Mwesh nkwenda spare some time with the TV na nontuba michetho re kwendelea ntere ina few muthikirie batu atumbe kutha tukirikiria uno nkenda tumba kutha tukiria marandu no ntunyuma yakagita gati kuraja tuketha tukithomerwa nteto ni masi.
I was only hoping Mwesh no to 2027 plan.
Plan irambize ni Governor Isaac Mutuma aketherwa egitine. Plan yako become secondary na antu bakwa tutapangana sahi tuchape kazi na deputy governor umete Northiment ako sawa Joy umete Narabore ako sawa na inya nkabachwa tunye chai tulingo nyakabicha kamwe tuendelee rwari.
Nataka muniombe